Hi, this is Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs coming at you with another computer service job. Well, technically the job's already complete, so since I don't have a tripod or anything, I wasn't able to record myself doing the job. However, I can explain and show you what the problem was. This is an Alienware 15 or 4 gaming laptop, and this here was the issue. As you can tell, bulged out dead cell battery. So I installed a brand new battery for the client in his computer already, and as you can tell, it is on, and I will unplug the power cable, and as you can tell, it is still on. Good functioning working battery. So yeah, the job is complete. This has been Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs with another successful computer repair job. Until the next time, thank you for your job opportunity and have a wonderful, blessed day. Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs out until the next time.